chalk se lenge. Hello students, the previous class में देखते हैं energy stored in a capacitor. The energy stored in a capacitor is nothing but it is the amount of work done by the cell to charge the capacitor. That is called E is equal to W. That is equal to half Q square by C is equal to half QV square, half CV square is equal to half Q into V. Clear? So this is the energy stored in a capacitor. तो आज देखिए energy density. So what do you mean by energy density? Energy density. Energy density, that is the amount of energy stored per unit volume inside the capacitor. Well, it is the energy stored. It is the energy stored per unit volume. Density I can say per unit volume. It is the energy stored per unit volume inside a capacitor. Inside a capacitor. Inside means between the two plates of the capacitor. So suppose this is a capacitor. When it is charged, the energy stored in this region. So how much energy stored per unit volume, that is known as the energy density. Energy stored per unit volume, that is known as the energy density. It is denoted by U. So U is equal to energy stored by volume. Yes, energy stored by volume. Clear? Now we consider a parallel plate capacitor. Suppose we consider a parallel plate capacitor. Yes, we consider a parallel plate capacitor. तो having capacity कहते हैं C, having capacity कहते हैं गला C, having capacity गला C. So what is C? So the C is equal to, yes, epsilon 0 A divided by D. So if we consider a parallel plate capacitor, so यदि तार capacity गला C, so C is equal to epsilon 0 A by D, where A is area of each plate, surface area of each plate, and D, that is the distance of separation. Clear? Distance of separation. তাহলে এবে কোন দেখো আমি C পাই গেল epsilon 0 by D. Then তাহলে what is U? তাহলে U হলো energy stored by unit volume. তাহলে energy stored হলো নি by unit volume. তাহলে ভলিউম কেতে যাব? তাহলে ভলিউম is equal to area into thickness, তাহলে A into D. হলা? তাহলে ভলিউম within which the charge কোন রিলা? The energy stored, that is the this. তাহলে আর ভলিউম কেতে গেল? তাহলে এটি ডিসটেন্স কেতে গেল D, and মনে করো suppose area of each plate কেতে গেল, let it be A. Suppose this is the A, তাহলে what is the volume in this region? তাহলে আবিদের ভলিউম কেতে গেল? area into thickness, তাহলে A into D. Clear? তাহলে how much energy is stored? তাহলে এনার্জি কেতে stored হবে? তাহলে either you can write Q square by C or CV square যা লিখতে পারো। তাহলে এনার্জি stored, কেতে গেল? তাহলে you can write half CV square energy stored. তাহলে এনার্জি stored, তাহলে এনার্জি stored is equal to কেতে গেল? That is equal to half C into V square then you can write half C. Yes, C can write epsilon 0 A by D into V square. Clear? তাহলে এনার্জি ডেন্সিটি কেতে গেলা তাহলে এনার্জি ডেন্সিটি তাহলে এনার্জি ডেন্সিটি হলো এনার্জি স্টোর দ্যাট ইজ ইকুয়াল টু হাফ এপসিলন 0 A V square by D divided by वॉल्यूम एला कहते हैं एस ए इंटू डी तो ए इंटू डी वी कैंसल आउट ए तो रहा के दैट इज इक्वल टू हाफ एप्सिलॉन 0 डी स्क्वायर डी तोड़ पड़ेसला बाय डी स्क्वायर. क्लियर? तो दैट इज इक्वल टू हाफ एप्सिलॉन 0 डी स्क्वायर बाय डी स्क्वायर. तो इट कैन बी रिटन एज तो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज हाफ एप्सिलॉन 0 देन वी कैन राइट v by d rho whole square. Yes, b by d rho whole square that is equal to half epsilon 0 e square. Clear? তাহলে here e এটি এটা কি ইলেকট্রিক ফিল্ড ইন্টেন্সিটি e is equal to v by d এটি e হলো ইলেকট্রিক ফিল্ড ইন্টেন্সিটি not energy হলো হলো electric field intensity. We know electric field intensity is the potential gradient that is equal to v by d. It is electric field intensity. Electric field intensity. Clear? Yeah. Hello. So we can write that u is equal to 1 by 2 epsilon 0 e square that is equal to e is equal to v by d. Where e is equal to head. So let me कौन पाइले रे? The energy density depends upon का ऊपर half epsilon 0 square अर्थात it depends upon का ऊपर electric field intensity. And the electric field intensity code रहेला that is the in between the two plates. So the energy stored in the gap between the two plates. है ना? तो next time जीवा this is all about your capacitance बा capacitor. तो आज देखिए लास्ट दैट इज द डाइलेक्ट्रिक. तो व्हाट डू मीन बाय डाइलेक्ट्रिक? तो डाइलेक्ट्रिक हमें जानी से सब्सटेंस आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स. सब्सटेंस को जब हमें क्लासिफिकेशन करिवा ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. द सब्सटेंस आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स. वन इज द कंडक्टर एंड अनदर इज द इंसुलेटर. As far as concerning to the electricity, तले गोटे ला conductor और ला insulator. The conductor which conducts the charge through it, अर्थात whenever an electric field is applied in a conductor, the current flows, अर्थात the charge transfer from one end to another end. है तले in a conductor that is the charge transfer from one end to another end. But in insulator, when the electric field is applied in an insulator, there is no conduction takes place. अर्थात there is no movement of the charge carrier. जो हम देखिए conductor, yes, the conductor is कौन? The substances in which the charges are close in a large extent. Coating in a conductor, but the substances in which the charges move in a large scale with the application of electric field. अर्थात if we applied the electric field, the charge can move in a large scale. There is a physical displacement of the charge, अर्थात movement of the charge. है तो ये का में कौन करे? In which the charges move in a large scale with the application of the electric field are called कौन कहते हैं? हमें conductors बोले कहवा are called conductors. Clear? And this conductor has the following characteristics. है तो प्रथम है कौन? जेहेतु कंडक्टर तेरे चार्ज फ्लोस होची तले चार्ज कौन फ्लो हो तले सपोज दिस इज ए कंडक्टर तले व्हेन इट इज अप्लाइड द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड तले कौन हो बेटी the charges are moved from this end to this end. So what do you mean by charge move? अर्थात it is only due to the free electrons. अर्थात आ भितर कौन अछंती? The free electrons are there. The availability of the free electrons in conductor is much more. So due to the presence of the free electrons, the charge can move from one end to other end. अर्थात there is a transfer of charge, the movement of the charge in a large scale. है ना? तो it is due to लिख परिवा. It is due to the presence of free electrons. It is due to the presence of free electrons. है ना? তাহলে এটা কাজ করছে তাহলে how the charge move in a conductor, now it is due to the presence of the free electrons. In a conductor there is a large number of free electrons due to which the charge can move from one end to other end. है তাহলে free electron की वजह को कौन है तुम्हारा? The charge can motion from one end to other end. But in insulator जब हम insulator कथा देखिबा ताले कौन हबो? ताले they have no any free electrons, so the charge cannot move throughout the conductor by an insulator. है ना? ताले हम insulator कथा देखिबा. In case of an insulator, in case of an insulator कथा दी देखिबा ताले कौन हबो? The substance in which the charge cannot move, cannot move in a conductor by it, in which the charge cannot move with the application of the electric field, are called insulators. The substance in which the charges cannot move, with the application of the electric field are called insulators. The why the charges cannot move? Because there is nothing to carry the charge. That means it is due to the presence, it is due to the absence of the free electrons in insulator. Absence of free electrons. Jehetu all the free electrons of valence electrons, all the valence electrons in the insulator are tightly bound with nucleus. No one is free, so there is no free electrons by conduction electrons, so charge cannot flow from one part to another part in an insulator. Clear? So when the charge is given to a conductor, the charge flows throughout the surface, whereas if the charge given to an insulator, the charge can reside only in that position. So suppose I am a conductor, suppose this is a conductor and this is an insulator. So if the charge given to it, the charges are distributed throughout the surface. But if we give the charge to an insulator, the charge is localized in that position. Clear? So there is no movement of the free electrons by charge carriers. So if the charge given to a conductor, the charges are distributed throughout the surface, while in an insulator the charges are localized, but charges are fixed in that position. In conductor, when charge given to a conductor, if the charge given to a conductor, अर्थात if the conductor is charged, if the charge given to a conductor, the charges are distributed over its surface. The charges are distributed through its surface. Through its surface. While the charge given to an insulator, while the charge given to an insulator, to an insulator, when the charge given to an insulator, তাহলে কোন হবে? If the charge given to an insulator, the charge কোন হবে? Fixed বা localized in that region. Like the charges are fixed in that region. जो जगह हम चार्ज दवा सही जगह ही चार्ज टा रहिबो, कारण there is no charge movement of the car insulator. आम insulator दे जो भी चार्ज दवा चार्ज टा सही जगह ही रहिबो, किंतु जदि गोटे कंडक्टर का में चार्ज दवा चार्ज टा कोन चारिडे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट. फॉर एन एग्जांपल जदि हम देखिबा, सपोज जतले आमे कोन करू से आमे गोटे एंटीबायोटिक्स इंजेक्शन नो से सेतले फर्स्ट वी टेस्ट, तल जतले आमे टेस्ट करछे प्रथमे हला, तो इंजेक्शन टा में देला परे वी रेस्ट, वी कीप सम टाइम्स, तले इफ द इट इज ट्रांसमिटेड बट थ्रू द बॉडी, तल इट इज ओके. जदि एटा कोन हो स्वेलिंग कला, अर्थात चार्ज टा अर्थात सही जगह रे लिक्विड कोन इंजेक्शन टा रहला swelling, it does not conduct in your body, then it is not preferable for your body. तो ठीक से भाव आम यदि कंडक्टर ये गोटे कंडक्टर आम यदि चार्ज दबा ताले कौन हम द चार्जेस आर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड ओवर इट्स सरफेस. जदि इन्सुलेटर को चार्ज दबा जेहेतु देयर इज नो मूवमेंट ऑफ द चार्ज, अर्थात देयर इज नो एनी चार्ज कैरियर्स टू मूव द चार्ज फ्रॉम वन पार्ट टू अनदर पार्ट, तो कौन हम जगह चार्ज जो जगह दि जाइथिबा सही जगह ही रहिबो. No distribution of charges on in total region, but conductor रे कौन हम charges are distributed through its surface, total region ले charge टा distribution है. Clear? तो साधारणतः आम जानी all the metals are the कौन the good conductor of electricity. Metals are the conductor, non metals are the insulators. हला ताले metals जदि हम देखिबा, metals are the conductors, basically the metals are the conductors and non-metals are insulator. हला this insulator को आम यदि देखिबा तो साधारणतः insulators are of two types. Insulator, the insulator हला, तो the special type of insulator जहाँ को हमें कहते dielectric हला, the special type of insulator is called dielectric. The special type of insulator is called dielectric. A dielectric के अर्थात इन्सुलेटर रे साधारणतः देयर इज नो कंडक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एट ऑल. कौन सी परिस्थिति रे भी तमर कौन हम इन्सुलेटर दिए कौन हम नो कंडक्शन टेक्स प्लेस, बट इन केस ऑफ ए डाइलेक्ट्रिक, तो डाइलेक्ट्रिक रे कौन हुए ना देयर इज ए कंडक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी विदाउट कंडक्टिंग द बॉडी. वो डाइलेक्ट्रिक कंडक्टिंग न करिकी तले कौन हम तादेर मध्य कंडक्शन हो पारिबो. Some insulating materials are there, तल से गुडी को कौन कहा जाए डाई इलेक्ट्रिक बोली करबा. तो हम देखिबा डाइलेक्ट्रिक कौन, तो डाइलेक्ट्रिक हैला these are the special type of insulators. डाइलेक्ट्रिक हैला, तो डाइलेक्ट्रिक हैला बेसिकली these are the insulators. These are insulators. The dielectrics are the insulator. Those conduct already. Those transmit the electric effect without conducting. These are the insulators. Those transmitting the electric effect. Those transmitting the electric effect without conducting, without conducting है कंडक्टिंग न है कि कौन हो पार आधार इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इफेक्ट रियलाइज हो पार व्हेन केतळे हबो ना व्हेन an electric field is applied हलानी when but due to when an external electric field is applied हला जदि हमें एक्सटर्नल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड अप्लाई करिया कोतरे some type of insulating materials हलानी तो सेथिरे कोन हबो the electrical effect can be transmitted but without conducting the dielectric तो बॉडी टा को without conducting the dielectric तो बॉडी टा को कंडक्टिंग न करिकी ता धरे इलेक्ट्रिकल इफेक्ट ट्रांसमिट हेई परिबो हला तो सही बड़ी सब्सटेंस का में कोन कहबा सही बड़ी टाइप ऑफ इंसुलेटर को कोन कहबा में डाई इलेक्ट्रिक इंसुलेटर बोली कहबा फॉर एन एग्जांपल वाटर मिका एटसेट्रा तो ये गुडी को सब उडे डाई इलेक्ट्रिक हला तो dielectric there are two types of dielectric there are two types of dielectric एक रहला polar dielectric and another is the non-polar dielectric clear one is the polar dielectric and another is the non-polar dielectric so which one is the polar dielectric and which one is the non-polar dielectric pole means charge the polar dielectric or non-polar dielectric का होगा देखो तो dielectric this is the insulating materials those consists of the polar molecules they are known as the polar dielectric and the dielectric by insulating materials those are made up of non-polar molecules they are known as the कौन कहबा non-polar dielectric हला polar dielectrics are made up but consists of the polar dielectrics consist of polar molecules whereas while non-polar dielectrics consist of non-polar molecules clear non-polar molecules हैला ताले जो डाइलेक्ट्रिक गुडी को पोलर मॉलिक्यूल द्वारा गठित ताको आमे कोन कहबा पोलर डाइलेक्ट्रिक्स और जो डाइलेक्ट्रिक गुडी को नॉन पोलर मॉलिक्यूल्स द्वारा गठित ताको आमे कोन कहबा नॉन पोलर डाइलेक्ट्रिक्स तो एबे देखियो आमे तो कोडी को पोलर मॉलिक्यूल एवं कोडी को नॉन पोलर मॉलिक्यूल हैला तो पोलर मॉलिक्यूल कौन और नॉन पोलर मॉलिक्यूल कौन देखो पोलर मॉलिक्यूल्स क्लियर द पोलर मॉलिक्यूल्स है तो जो थिरे साधारणतः मॉलिक्यूल्स भितर कौन रही तो बाउंड चार्ज और साधारणतः तुम मॉलिक्यूल्स भितर पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव चार्जेस आर देयर पॉजिटिव चार्ज अच्छी एंड नेगेटिव चार्ज अच्छी है ताले प्रत्येक मॉलिक्यूल्स भितर पॉजिटिव चार्ज नेगेटिव चार्जेस आर देयर एंड दे आर अरेंज्ड इन डिफरेंट फैशन तेणु आमर कौन रही पोलर साधारणतः ये सब पॉजिटिव चार्ज मान को जब आम देखा दे हैव ए सेंटर ऑफ पॉजिटिव चार्ज एंड द नेगेटिव चार्ज मान को देखा दे हैव ए सेंटर ऑफ नेगेटिव चार्ज क्लियर तो जेहेतु ए मॉलिक्यूल कंसिस्ट्स ऑफ ए नंबर ऑफ पॉजिटिव एंड नंबर ऑफ नेगेटिव चार्जेस एंड दिस नेगेटिव एंड पॉजिटिव चार्जेस आर अरेंज्ड इन ए डिफरेंट फैशन तेणु ये आम कौन देखा all the positive charges they have a center that is known as the center of positive charge and the negative charge have a center that is known as the center of negative charge so if the center of positive charge and the center of negative charge are not in same place then in that case their molecules are known as the polar molecules. Tale polar molecules ka kehba? The molecules in which the molecules in which the center of a positive charge and the center of negative charge are not in same place, in which the center of positive charge and the center of negative charge are not in same place, are not in same place, clear? The molecules in which the center of a positive charge and the center of negative charge are not in same place are called polar molecules. Are called polar molecules, clear? So these are known as the polar molecules. Center of positive charge and center of negative charge are not in same place. Suppose this is the this is the negative charge, but this is your positive charge, clear? So this is the center of negative charge and this is the center of a positive charge. So this type of molecules is known as the polar molecule. যেহেতু পজিটিভ এন্ড নেগেটিভ চার্জ সেন্টার अलग अलग অর্থাৎ আমি এটা কইবা all the negative charges concentrated at this point, all the positive charges are concentrated at this point. তেণু আমি কোন পাইলে তাহলে this behaves as a permanent dipole. Yes, the polar molecule behaves as a dipole. তাহলে these molecules behave as dipole. Dipole का कहथिला the two equal and opposite pole separated by some distance. Yes, তাহলে এটি যেতিকি পজিটিভ এটি সেতিকি নেগেটিভ চার্জ because the molecule is electrically neutral and these are separated by small distance. Among this constitution is known as electric dipole. So these molecules behave as electric dipole with a permanent dipole moment, with a dipole moment, and this is the dipole moment. This is your dipole moment. যেহেতু these two charges separated by some distance, the dipole moment is equal to kete thila, the product of the strength of charge and the distance between them. So these molecules behave as a dipole with a dipole moment, clear? तो साधारणतः आमे दे एग्जांपल नबा हला the polar molecules, these are the water molecules, these are polar molecules. सर जदि आमे देखिबा HCl, carbon monoxide, ammonia, these are the polar molecules, clear? Next हम देखिबा non polar molecules. तो non polar molecules कहाँ कहबी? Yes, we can write non polar molecules. The molecules in which the center of a positive charge and the center of negative charge are not in same place. Are in same place are called non-polar molecules. Are called non-polar molecules. हला आगामी कौन कहबा? Non-polar molecules. हला are in same place. हला नहीं? Are in same place. The molecules in which the center of positive charge and the center of negative are in same place are called non-polar molecules. So the molecules তাহলে ঠিক কোন হবে? তাহলে যেহেতু center of positive and center of negative charge are same place, it is symmetrical in shape. হলা? So this is the center of a positive charge and this is the also center of negative charge. So both the charges, center of mass of the charge are at same place. तेणु these molecules do not behave as dipole. These molecules do not behave as dipole because the charges are not separated. जदि एटी पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव चार्ज अच्छे equal magnitude but they are not separated from each other, they are at same place. All the center of the positive charge and center of the negative charge are at the same place. It is symmetrical in shape and this molecule does not behave as dipole, so it has no dipole moment. The molecules does not behave dipole. If we consider example hydrogen molecule, oxygen molecule, nitrogen molecule, carbon dioxide gas, etc. So these are the non-polar molecules. Clear? तो बर्तमान हम देख ले दुई प्रकार डाइलेक्ट्रिक. Some the dielectrics are made up of polar molecules, but some molecule dielectric consists of the polar molecules, they are known as the polar dielectric, and some dielectrics consists of non-polar molecules, they are known as the non-polar dielectric. Clear? तो एबे हमें देखिबा तो जते बेले हमें गोटे डाइलेक्ट्रिक टाको रखिले मो कोन कहछि तो डाइलेक्ट्रिक इज नथिंग बट इट इज अ स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ इंसुलेटिंग मटेरियल by insulating body, by insulating substance, in which the electrical effect can be transmitted without conducting. So how the electrical effect can be transmitted? Now when this dielectric medium is inserted, is placed in a electric field, जदि आम कौन करवा ए डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम टाको इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड भितर रखा ताले कौन हम इट गेट्स पोलाराइज्ड, इट गेट्स पोलाराइज्ड जोटा कहे आम पोलाराइजेशन, पोलाराइजेशन, पोलाराइजेशन. पोलाराइजेशन मीन्स कौन? पोलाराइजेशन मीन्स सपोज इट इज ए डाइलेक्ट्रिक, सपोज इट इज अ डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम है तो ये जो डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम आइदर इट इज ए पोलार हो कि नॉन पोलार हो, whatever may be, the molecules are the polar or non-polar. तो से पोलराइजेशन कहले हमें कौन बुझीबा तो जते बेले दिस मीडियम डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम इज प्लेस्ड इन एन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ताले व्हाट हैपेंस ताले कौन होबे ठी now when the electric medium or when a dielectric medium is inserted in by is placed in an electric field ताले आर जो दुईटा फेस ऑपोजिट फेस हला सपोज दिस इज द मीडियम, this is a medium, the opposite phase of the dielectric, opposite phase, this phase and this phase helani, the opposite phase रे कौन होबो opposite charges are induced. तो एपटे 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 गोटे प्रकार चार्ज एपटे गोटे प्रकार चार्ज इंड्यूस्ड होबो. तो दिस इज द अर्थात दैट मीन्स there is a separation of the kahero positive and negative charge. Suppose electric field, we know the electric field starts from positive and but towards what negative. The lines of force are drawn from positive to negative. So this side is positive, this side is negative. So तले एपटे कौन हो तमर माइनस क्यू एपटे कौन हो प्लस क्यू इंड्यूस्ड होबो. If a dielectric medium is placed in an electric field, जदि गोटे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड भितर आम डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम भर्ती करदबा ताले कौन होबो ना इट गेट्स पोलराइज्ड अर्थात वन ऑफ द फेस इज बोथ द फेसेस आर चार्ज इन ऑपोजिट पोलैरिटी. दिस प्रोसेस दिस फेनोमेनन इज नोन एज द पोलराइजेशन. क्लियर? तो पोलराइजेशन कहले हमें कौन बुझीबा यस द ड्यू टू द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड a dielectric medium, the two opposite faces of the dielectric medium gets charged in opposite nature. So this phenomenon is known as the polarization. है तो completely बर्तन एटा कौन थिला it is a dielectric है तो it is a dielectric आ भीतर कौन थिला the molecules are there either they are polar or non-polar but they have अर्थात एठी डाइलेक्ट्रिक थिला किंतु एठी कौन अछि तो सही डाइलेक्ट्रिक जते आम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड भीतर भर्ती कर दोचे सेते कौन होची ना द चार्जेस आर इंड्यूस्ड ड्यू टू द डिस्प्लेसमेंट द चार्जेस आर इंड्यूस्ड एपटे गोटे चार्ज एपटे गोटे प्रकार चार्ज इंड्यूस्ड होला. तो पोलराइजेशन इट इज ए फेनोमेनन, इट इज ए फेनोमेनन, इट इज ए फेनोमेनन when a dielectric is inserted when place kariba is inserted in an electric field in an electric field তাহলে কোন হবে the its opposite faces gets charged in opposite nature its opposite faces get charged in opposite nature ହେଲା অর্থাৎ the charges are induced in two opposite phases তাহলে এটা নথিলা এটি কোন হলো induced হলা that means the opposite charges are induced in opposite phases কার যোগ না due to the electric field clear electric field then this is known as the polarization means separation तो ये जो मिसिक थिला सब चार्ज गुडी को एठी नहे कि कोन हबो गोटे पटे पॉजिटिव चार्ज गोटे पटे नेगेटिव चार्ज इंड्यूस्ड हबो हला तो ड्यू टू द इंड्यूस्ड चार्ज तले कोन हबो an electric field is set off in the कोटी in the का भितरे तमरा field और जे dielectric हला due to the induced charge an electric field is set off in the dielectric तले due to induced charge हला the electric field हला is set off in the dielectric is set off in the dielectric তাহলে কোন হবে এটি ইলেকট্রিক ফিল্ড কোন হবে সৃষ্টি হলা কাজ ধরে ডাইইলেকট্রিক ভিতর তাহলে মনে করো দেখো সাপোজ ইট ইজ নেগেটিভ এটা দিস ইজ তাহলে এটি কোন থিলা দিস ইজ দ্য এক্সটার্নাল ইলেকট্রিক ফিল্ড সাপোজ E0 এন্ড যেতବେଳେ এটি পজিটিভ নেগেটিভ হলা তাহলে देयर इज ए ইলেকট্রিক ফিল্ড ইনসাইড দা তাহলে আ ভিতরে ইলেকট্রিক ফিল্ড সৃষ্টি হলা দিস ইজ লেট ইট বি EI তাহলে this is the electric field is the induced electric field but the electric field induced due to the induced charge and this is the electric field due to but it is the external electric field তাহলে আমি যদি লিখিবা suppose E0 is the external electric field E0 লিখে external electric field অর্থাৎ we can write applied electric field and EI that is the induced electric field due to the induced charge induced electric field it is applied by external electric field it is induced electric field then what we get তাহলে এবে বর্তমান দেখো তাহলে কোন হবে তাহলে external electric field is towards left to right and induced field is opposite direction of the external field that means the resultant field will be decreases the resultant field কেতে হবে তাহলে resultant field E is equal to কেতে গেলা that is equal to E0 minus of EI তাহলে when an external field is applied in a dielectric যদি গোটে dielectric রে আমি কোন করিবা external field বা গোটে field electric field ভিতরে dielectric রাখি দবা তাহলে due to the polarization এটি কোন হবে the electric field decreases inside কাহা ভিতরে না dielectric ভিতরে that is called resultant electric field is equal to E0 minus of EI where E0 the electric field the applied electric field EI electric field due to the induced charge the resultant electric field in the dielectric is equal to E0 minus of EI clear so there is a electrical effect on the dielectric but it is not conducting the charges are not a transfer there is no continuous charges are transfer there is dielectric is nothing but the electrical effect but transit the electrical effect transmit the electrical effect without conducting তাহলে এটি there is no movement of the charge এটি charge motion continuously ho nai কিন্তু কোন আছে electric effect that decreases the electric field decreases, E is equal to E0 minus of EI. তাহলে আমি কোন জানলে, তাহলে due to the polarization, তাহলে আমি কোন জানলে, there is an decrease in electric field if a dielectric is placed in a electric field. Dielectric is placed in an electric field. তবে देखिए polarization vector. Polarization vector. What do you means polarization vector? The polarization vector को हमें कौन बचेगा? The polarization vector measures the strength of polarity, strength of polarization, how it gets polarization. ताले बर्तन देखिबा, देख बर्तन देखा. तो जत्ते बड़े अम्मे एटा थिला डाइलेक्ट्रिक. Suppose ताले there is a मने करे एटा लागुडे कौन पाइले एटा? एटा molecules. Suppose this is your negative and this is the positive. ताले when an electric field is applied, this side is positive, this side is negative. When an electric field is applied, ताले कौन होगा? It has a dipole moment and this dipole moment turns. जहाँ पर एक कौन होगा ठीक? तोरा dipole टा कौन है जुआ? It's aligned along the direction of the current. तो due to which तोरा एक कौन होगी ना charges induced opposite polarity on both sides of the dielectric. है तो ये जो है सृष्टि है तो एपटे सृष्टि है कितने माइनस क्यू है एपटे है प्लस क्यू तो पोलराइजेशन वेक्टर है नी देन इट कौन पहले डाइपोल मोमेंट तो डाइपोल मोमेंट इंड्यूस्ड फॉर इट इज द डाइपोल मोमेंट induced it is the dipole moment induced per unit volume of the dielectric, unit volume of the dielectric. Yes, unit volume of the dielectric. Clear? So it is denoted by P vector. So P vector ala the total dipole moment Pi divided by total volume. Clear? The total induced dipole moment divided by volume. तो लेटा कहते हैं गला तो dipole moment that is equal to the charge either any charge suppose q and q and distance ala d so we can write p is equal to pi by v so that implies p ala k q into d that is the total charge that induced on one side so divided by volume the volume of the specimen कहते हैं गला so area into d so that is equal to suppose this is the qi है so this is equal to induced d divided by a into d cancel out that is equal to qi by a so this is equal to induced charge density surface है तले the dipole moment polarization vector is also can be written as तले कौन लिखिली तले p is equal to कहते गला that is equal to sigma I तल thus the polarization vector is numerically equal to cos the induced surface charge density. The polarization vector is numerically equal to कैसे था induced surface charge density induced surface charge density. Clear? Induced surface charge density. Clear? तो अब हम देख पारिबा what is the unit and dimension of the polarization vector हला तले unit देखो this is called के देला q by a तले we can write in SI कहते हैं जो q एला कूलम by meter square and we can dimension हमें लिख पारिबा dimensions पहले p रा dimension is equal to q by a q एला के 80 divided by l square so we can write m0 l minus 2 t1 a1 clear so this is the dimension clear the next this is known as the polarization vector clear Next देखिवा susceptibility. Susceptibility ହେଲା ତାକୁ କୁହାଯାଏ ଯାଇ in electricity. Susceptibility. So what is the susceptibility? So we know that the polarization vector as the P is directly proportional to कहाँ से था electric field. The P is directly proportional to electric field, external electric field. हैला the susceptibility so P is equal to dielectric property. तो the more the electric field, more is the dipole moment is induced अर्थात dipole vector is so that implies we can write P is equal to ताले कहते हैं some constant into कहते रहला E is some constant into electric field. ताले इठे में कौन पाइबे this constant is nothing but समझते ही था ताले this constant is equal to कहते हैं ताले on the basis of the dimension this constant can be written as तुम्हारे इधर लगे epsilon 0 xi into A हैला ताले इधर लगे किमें लिखो on the basis of the dimension formula ताले P है dipole moment vector इधर लगे epsilon 0 एवं E हैला ताले बर्तन that is equal to xi ताले that implies the susceptibility xi is equal to कहते पहले P by epsilon 0 A हैला जेहेतु तो dimensional formula P dipole moment and a polarization vector is equal to permittivity into E. So the dimensional formula of the susceptibility is 0. अर्थात the susceptibility is a pure number. So that implies susceptibility is a pure number. It has no units and a dimension. Clear? ताले susceptibility means ताले जते तमरा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड देखो susceptibility जते अधिक हबो dipole moment सेते अधिक हबो एवं dipole moment जते अधिक हबो सेते कोन हैला चार्ज सेते इंड्यूस्ड हैला अर्थात the more the dipole gets polarized, more the susceptibility, more is the polarized हैला तेणु susceptibility measures how a substance or how a dielectric gets polarized easily. ताल जेते जो सब्सटेंस ससेप्टिबिलिटी जेते अधिका थिबो तो से सब्सटेंस सेते इजीली कोन हबो पोलराइजेशन हे परिबो. क्लियर? ताल ग्रेटर मोर द ससेप्टिबिलिटी मोर इज द चार्ज इंड्यूस्ड इन द डाइपोल. ताल मोर इज द ससेप्टिबिलिटी ऑफ ए डाइलेक्ट्रिक the more is the charge induced in it. अर्थात how a substance get polarized that measures from the susceptibility how easily हैला तने हम देखिबा the relation between the susceptibility and the permittivity, relative permittivity. The relation between susceptibility and the relative permittivity of the substance. Here we know that when a dielectric substance is placed in a medium we know that the resultant electric field is nothing but E0 minus of EI. Clear? तले E is equal to E0 minus of EI. So what is EI? That is equal to EMF charges induced. So that is equal to sigma by epsilon 0. So we can write E0 minus of sigma by epsilon 0. Clear? What is sigma I? The sigma I that is equal to P. So E0 minus of P divided by epsilon 0. कारण the polarization vector जेहेतु हमें कौन कहले कहाँ से तो समान that is the induced surface charge density. तो E is equal to E0 minus of P epsilon 0. Now we divide E on both sides. So dividing E on both sides we get ताले कहते हैं गला E by E that is equal to 1 is equal to epsilon 0 by E एवं minus P by E into epsilon 0. Clear? E into epsilon 0. So this is equal to, এটা কি না, that is equal to relative permittivity. তাহলে 1 is equal to epsilon r minus এবং this is equal to xi a, है ना? তাহলে E0 by E, that is called relative permittivity. P by epsilon 0 into E এটা কোন গেল xi. তাহলে there is a relation. তাহলে আমি কোন পাইলে the relative permittivity is equal to 1 plus susceptibility. Clear? The relative permittivity কত গেল 1 plus susceptibility. Clear? So this is your the ending of your capacitor and capacitance, and this is the end of unit 1. है ना? Thank you. है ना? अरे कौन भाई बैटरी सेवर कौन के जैसे देखो कौन देखो कौन देखो
आ गया ना ना मु दर्शक बुझुଛି हम ଯଦି सोमवार दिन बोधे ତାଙ୍କର ଆଡ଼ମିସନ୍ ଅଛି ହେଲା सोमवार ଆଡ଼ମିସନ୍ ଅଛି ତେଣୁକରି ଆପଣ ରବିବାର ଭିତରେ ଆମ ସହିତ କଥା ହେଇକି सोमवार ଦିନ କଲେଜ ପଳେଇ ଆସିବେ ଦର୍ଶନ କଲେଜ ଯିବେ ଆଉ ମୁଁ କଥା ହେବି ଆଉ ହେଲା ହଁ।